everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your Roblox account. To change language on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox application on your mobile device. Once you open up the Roblox application on your mobile device, make sure to log into your account as well. Once you're in the main home page, click on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. After clicking on More, scroll down and click on the Settings option. Inside Settings, click on Account Info. From your Account Info page, scroll down and go to the Language drop-down and tap on it. From the list of available language, choose the language you want to change to. Right after you select the language, your Roblox application will restart in the chosen language. That is how you can easily change your display language on Roblox. You can repeat this step in order to change to your language of preference anytime you want. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.